This is going to be the example 3. So let's draw our circuit once more. We're going to have few things in our circuit. They're going to be fairly interesting to deal with. Two resistances like so. So this one is going to be 3 volts. This one is just going to be plus E minus. This one is my resistance 1. This one is my resistance 2. I'm going to have a plus and a minus V here. And I'm just going to be entering this direction that is flowing this way. Okay, so what this problem says is for the circuit below, in which E is equal to 12 volts, R1 is equal to 1 ohm, and R2 is equal to 5 ohm, find I. Okay, so we gotta find I. Sorry, I didn't write it, but this is I. Okay, so we gotta find I. So the idea here is to apply. We have just this circuit, so it's actually perfect to apply the Kirchhoff voltage law. So if we apply the Kirchhoff voltage law, we're gonna get, well, we will get 3V so this one minus E minus V minus 5I. Okay, well, this should really be putting everything here. So this one is 12 volts, R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is actually 5 ohm. Yeah, that's it. So it's 3V minus E minus V minus 5I, 5 times I. So basically, this is the result of what's getting into and what's going out to from this is going to be equal to 0. Therefore, we know that 3 times 1I minus 12 minus 1I minus 5I is going to be equal to 0. So 3I minus 12 minus 6I is also equal to 0. Therefore, negative 3I minus 12 is equal to 0. So negative 3I is equal to 12. And therefore, negative I is equal to 12 over 3, which we can simplify as 4 over 1. So basically, negative I is equal to 4, which means that I is equal to negative 4 ampere. So negative 4 ampere. What do we get? What do we get? Well, oh my god, negative current. What does it mean? No, just it's fine. If you get it positive, it's in it is going in a certain direction. If it's negative, it's going to the other direction. So we actually, we expected it to be in a certain direction, and it turned out to be in the other direction. But it's fine. It's still going to be 4 ampere, which is exactly what the problem was asking us find I. This is I and it's 4 ampere. It's just not pointing in this direction, it's pointing in the opposite direction, but it's still going to be 4 ampere. So this is fine. I'm going to make another example, one more example in the next video.